Hi everyone, it's Julia, your travel vlogger, and I'm excited to be exploring another beautiful beach with you today. As I walk along the shore, I can't help but be mesmerized by the crystal clear water and the soft, powdery sand between my toes. This beach truly is a paradise on earth. One interesting thing I learned about this beach is that it's a popular nesting site for sea turtles. Conservation efforts have been put in place to protect these magnificent creatures and their nesting grounds, and it's amazing to see the positive impact it's had on the ecosystem here. As I continue my stroll along the beach, I can see families playing in the water, couples lounging in the sun, and groups of friends enjoying each other's company. It's truly a beautiful sight to behold, and I feel lucky to be able to experience it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures like this one. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Hi everyone, it's Julia, your friendly neighborhood travel vlogger, and today I'm exploring this beautiful beach with you. The sand here is so soft and white, and the crystal clear water is the most stunning shade of blue I've ever seen. As I walk along the shore, I can feel the warmth of the sun on my skin and the gentle breeze blowing through my hair. This beach is not only gorgeous, but it's also rich in history. Did you know that it was a popular spot for pirates to hide out in the 17th and 18th centuries? And rumor has it that there's still treasure buried somewhere around here. Of course, I'm not here to search for treasure, I'm here to enjoy the natural beauty of this amazing place. The people here are so friendly and welcoming, too. It's always a joy to come to a new place and meet new friends. Whether you're here to relax and soak up the sun or take part in some of the fun water activities, this beach has something for everyone. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures like this one. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.